We're in Windsor, Colorado at their train depot museum. They have this woodside caboose that's being restored. They also have a restored boxcar, a CNS down there. They have it open, so I'm gonna walk inside. I've already done a video of it before, but we just happened to be here when they were open. So I'm gonna come inside here. Doesn't appear to be anybody around. Okay. Looks like, I'm not sure if this is really the true configuration, but maybe. Here's the placard they have in here. Function and demise of the caboose. Here's another. This caboose was built by Elgin, Julia and Eastern Railway, 1925. That's when my father was born. Kind of has that old caboose smell. I've been in some of these old wood cabooses before, and they tend to smell a little bit like urine. Not quite sure why. There's a little record keeping or something there. Here's the observation area. Here's a steam pressure. Or I shouldn't say steam pressure, more than likely that's air pressure. Not an exit. The sink. I'm assuming there's a bathroom in here. I'm gonna see it's locked, kind of. Oh, is it? Let's try to get it unlocked. Here. I can do it. I can do it. This is, I believe, where the toilet would have been. Cool. Yeah, they got a little crane service thing out here. There's also a nice speeder at this museum. I've already done a video of it before. So they got some wasps' nests to deal with. Yeah, kind of cool. Yeah, Windsor's a nice little town. There's the actual railway out there, current railway.